Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Capricorn, this is your love reading. So we'll see what are your current energies, what's happening in your love life, okay? So let's see Capricorn, what do we have in store for you? Please keep in mind guys that this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Also, if you want a personal reading, you can always get in touch with me. My website address is mentioned here on the screen, okay? So let's see what do we have in store for me Capricorn. Let's see your person's energy right now. See what's happening guys in your love life Capricorn. Okay, the first card has just flipped. Your person wants to start a fresh chapter with you all over again. So I think things have been messy between you and your person. Definitely some things have gone wrong between you both, but this person feels that this is impossible. You know, this person wants to start things all over again, but this person feels that, will I be able to do this? How is that possible? That is something I see here. This person is somebody guys who is focused on their work right now. Could be work, focusing on themselves. They want, see, this person is in this place where they are thinking, oh my god, look at this. Okay, I'll take this again if this comes back. So this person is somebody who is focused on themselves right now. Okay, this person wants a fresh new beginning with you, but they don't know how to do it. So this person has a lot of love for you, but they don't know how to get to you. With the Four of Swords, this person is thinking, hey, do I even have chance in this relationship? Will it go further? You know, that kind of energy. King of Cups, yes, a lot of emotions. This person loves you. They love you a lot. Why do we have the Four of Swords? Let's see, why do we have the Four of Swords here? This person is contemplating. Oh my god, this person is oh shit, look at this guys. Your person, this person is contemplating marriage with you. This person wants a reunion if you guys are not in touch with each other. This person wants a reunion. This person wants marriage. I think this person is thinking on how to come to you and offer you stability. This person wants to marry you. Okay, if you are single, there is somebody who is going to come and propose to you if you are single. So yeah, I do see there's somebody who likes you and this person is going to propose to you if you are single Capricorn. All right, for the others of you, this person is so much in love with you. This person wants reunion with you, reconciliation with you. This person wants to marry you. So don't be surprised if this person comes to you with an offer and like, hey, can I get married to you? Can we marry? I really love you. So be ready. Somebody is going to come and tell you all these things very soon. But this person is waiting. Okay, this person is conflicted. Okay, this person doesn't know, like, will you say yes to them or no to them? With the Ace of Swords, this person feels that things have gone so messy between both of you in the past. Now this person feels that, will it work? If I approach this person, will she say yes? Will he say yes? Or will things get better? So this person is scared. This person is scared guys. Okay, whoever you're dealing with, they want you, they love you, but they're waiting for the right time. I feel that this person has love for you, deep love. They may say, they may not say, doesn't matter, but this person wants reconciliation with you. All right, yeah, let's see these two cards. Oh my god, Magician. See, look at this. This is Magician and Ten of Swords. This person feels that maybe you have left them. This person feels that maybe you have moved on in your life. You don't care for them anymore. Some of you may have left this person already. So this person is like, maybe this person has left me. Should I? They fear rejection, guys. They fear that, what if you have moved on in life? This person wants you. Look at this love. Like, I think this person, their heart beats for you. This person loves you so much. It's like, you know, this person is in pain. Whoever you're dealing with, this person is in pain. They're just not happy without you. They are thinking about you, contemplating on how to start with you again. Okay, this person wants a fresh beginning with you. This person is somebody who is waiting for a miracle. This person is somebody who is praying to get you, manifesting you. So whatever it is, I don't know, I see a reconciliation here. This person is madly in love with you. So don't even think that they're going to leave you so soon. Okay, let me see your energies, whether, what are you thinking? The Hermit. See, you guys are in this mode. You don't know what to do. Some of you, you are literally, you feel that you may have made some mistakes. Okay, one of you has made some mistakes in this relationship. This could be this person or you, and you are like thinking over it again and again, the mistakes that has happened in this relationship. This could be from your end, this could be from this person's end, because it's a collective reading, different for different of you. But some of you, I think you are literally contemplating on what should you do in life. You know, you really love this person, love is there, but there is this hope, you know, you're still hopeful that things will get better, but at the same time you are contemplating. Seven of Cups. Some of you, you certainly have options. You have options, yeah, your options. So that is why you are confused. Knight of Pentacles. I feel that you are somebody, you know, you have this deep love for this person. You want things to work with this person, but at the same time, I do see that there are a lot of people who are dying for your attention. Okay, at least two people, two to three people. So you're confused, like, should I go back to this person who didn't treat me right in the past? Or I think your relationship has gone from best to worst, and now I think things are going to get better between both of you. So that is why you are not able to trust this person now. You're confused, like, you know, you don't know. You sometimes feel that if I choose this person and this person turns out to be the same that they were in the past, so you don't want to make a wrong and hasty decision. So that is why I think you're waiting for the right time. Of course, I see you offering this person the commitment. It is mutual. You both want each other, guys. You both want each other, but things are stuck. Some of you, I think, if you're single, then I think you have somebody you really have feelings for, and I think you're going to offer this to somebody. You want to propose to somebody. You know, you really have this deep feelings for somebody. You want to go and propose this person if you are single. Let's see. 10 of Cups. See, you want marriage with this person. You want marriage with this person. Knight of Swords. I see you guys rushing to this person very soon. 9 of Wands and the Tower. Yes, things have gone nasty between both of you in the past. Okay, that is why this is happening. So yeah, you know what has happened? I think some of you, you feel that this person has, you know, blamed you for something. Okay, this person is somebody who could be, they may have hurt you with their words, with their actions, whatever, but now you're very guarded. You know, I see you very guarded. It's like, dare you do this again, I'm going to cut you off. Dare you repeat this once again, I'm going to cut you off. That is your energy. You are not in any mood to take any BS anymore from this person. Some of you, you literally are not in the zone that you are going to take this BS from this person anymore. Okay, so you have your guards up. It's like one wrong move from this person and you're ready to cut them off from your life. So but I think you're still going to give this person a chance. Okay, because you want to, you love this person, you want marriage. You know, I think this is a strong commitment. I don't know, I feel that this is a strong commitment, Capricorn. Okay, so this is all temporary. It's a strong commitment, but I do see confusion. Sometimes, you know, you are in this place where, I don't know, some of you feel that you are in this place where you are like, should I even invest in this person or should I move on? That is the energy here. Knight of Swords, Pentacles, Wands, Cups. I see a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries. I see all sun signs. I see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have Scorpio here, Virgo here, Aries, Leo, Sag. So we have all sun signs basically. Okay, so let's see what else. You don't have patience. You are in this place where you are ready to put in all the effort. Because I think things are getting better. Okay, I don't see any major issues, Capricorn. I feel that your person feels that you may have left them or you have moved on in life, because they see you having options. They see that you have options. You're talking to other people. That is why this person fears losing you. But I feel that things are going to get better between both of you. I think you're ready to give this person a chance. We have the Knight of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles. It's just that you're waiting for the right time. Okay, some of you, you're ready, you're ready to offer this person a commitment. You are like, hey, look, I'm in no mood to do any time pass anymore. If you are serious, then I'm ready to take it forward. If you are not, then I'm ready to cut you off. That is the kind of energy that I see here. So you are in no mood of playing with this person anymore. You don't want to flirt in your life. You want a serious commitment. You want a solid commitment. Okay, and I feel that this person loves you, guys. This person is somebody who genuinely has feelings for you. Look at this. Look at the way this person is praying to have you in their life. This person wants, it's just that I feel that this person does not have the guts to start. Or for some of you, I feel that your partner is literally contemplating on how to get things better. Yeah, this person is somebody who is going to come and talk to you, and this person wants to make it right. Let's see what else. What are your energies? Let's see what are you thinking. Let's see, what do you want? King of Wands. See guys, you are ready to work on this person. You are in this energy where you are like, hey, listen, I want this. Are you ready for this commitment? Are you ready to put in efforts? Are you willing to marry me? If you are, then I'm ready. Some of you feel that your person is quite immature. You have to literally teach them, or you may have to feed them, baby feed. You want this person to listen to all your demands, all what you need from this relationship. So I think you want clarity, you want commitment, and you want loyalty from this person. Yeah, you are ready to work on this person for sure. 7 of Pentacles. You feel that you have already given a lot in this relationship in this past. Okay, so Page of Wands. Some of you literally feel that this person is immature. Okay, you may have invested a lot in this relationship, but you never got anything back in return in the past. And I feel that this person has realized that now. Maybe because you went away from this person, maybe the distance that has come between both of you has taught this person. So this person is somebody who has realized, is learning with time. Okay, so yes, I see a reconciliation, but I think you are not ready to trust this person. Some of you, I feel that you don't trust this person. That is why you are in this energy. You don't know what to do. Could be that you're being quiet, not investing enough in this relationship anymore because you're waiting for clarity. And I think you're seeking clarity. Whatever it is, things are going to get better. And what I see is the love is mutual. You both love each other. But I see a lot of misunderstandings. Some of you literally had a tower moment with this person in the past. Okay, I do see that. Whatever it is, guys, you both are going to come back together. I do see reconciliation. 2 of Pentacles, confusion. 7 of Wands, High Priestess. It's going to take time. It's not going to be so easy. Whatever it is, it's going to take time. You see 10 of Pentacles. You both want this, but it's going to take time. Confusion. Some of you literally seeking clarity over this person. You don't know whether this person is right, not right. You could be judging this person secretly. You are in this place where you want to be sure before you move forward with this person. And whatever it is, I do see reconciliation. I do see you guys coming back together. Okay, see 10 of Pentacles. You both want this. So don't worry, this is a temporary phase. Love is mutual. This is a temporary phase. So let's see, what else do we have for you. Okay, the first card, emotions are running high and prosperity lies ahead. Some of you, you're going to have good time in your career. Okay, so you're going to make money, you're going to get a good job, good opportunities as far as your career is concerned. Emotions are running high. Yes, I said that you both are thinking and contemplating a lot about each other, so that's there. Let's see what else. Okay, two more cards. Some of you, you're being asked to balance spirituality and practicality. Don't be over practical, don't be over spiritual. As far as this love is concerned, adjustments are required. You're being asked to adjust with this person. Let's see. A time to give rather than take. Some of you, you're being asked to give in this relationship. It's like you'll have to work on this relationship, guys, okay? You'll have to work on this relationship if you want this person. If you don't want, that it's a different case. But if you really want this person, you're being asked to work on this person. You're being asked to work in this relationship, okay? I see love mutual. Love is mutual between both of you. All right, so that was that, Capricorn. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, do let me know in the comment section. Do like, share, subscribe, okay? So you guys take care, be safe, bye bye.